Chapter 40, Factoring Perfect Square Trinomials. We've already seen that a plus or minus b quantity square is a squared plus or minus the double product 2ab plus b squared. Don't forget the double product. So if we had 25x squared minus 70xy plus 49y squared, and we wanted to factor it, what's the first thing I do when I want to factor? Greatest common factor. Always look for the greatest common factor. 5 goes in here, 5 goes in here, 5 does not go in here. As far as numbers are concerned, 1. X, no y. Greatest common factor is 1. This is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, 5x quantity square, 7y quantity square. Could this middle term be the double product? Double a, 5x, b, 7y. 10y, yes, it is 7y. So this is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That gives you a, which is 5x, minus b, which is 5y. How about this one? Greatest common factor. Okay, 3 and 5 goes in here, 3 goes in here, 3 goes in here, 3 goes in here. 3 is a common factor. 5 goes in here, 5 goes in here, 5 does not go in here. 5 is not part of the greatest common factor. X is the greatest common factor. No y's. So what did I say? 3x is the greatest common factor. 5x is the greatest common factor? No. 3x is the greatest common factor. That's a misprint that I did not see. 3x is the greatest common factor. So when you factor out 3x, you're left with 25x to the 4. You're left with minus 40x squared y. And you're left with plus 16y squared. Is this a perfect square? This is a square, 5x squared quantity square. This is a square, 4y quantity square. The double product should be 2 times a, which is 5x, times b, which is 4y, which gives you minus 40x squared y. Minus 40x squared y. Yes, this is a perfect square. So 3x times the quantity a minus b quantity squared. Can I factor this further? No, this is not perfect square. That's not a perfect square. Okay.